Good morning children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. So children, previous class I have sent the worksheet and also I have explained everything, how to write, what to write, everything I have explained. And I have given the tree also to color to label the parts. I hope you all are done. So children, if you finish, I have given the 2 days time, yesterday and today's. So today itself you have to send me that all the worksheet in the app only. Let me check all those things whether you are written properly or correctly. Clear children? So today's class children, I will take the same unit, that is the plants our green well. Yeah, children? So this unit already I have finished. So I am now here doing the revisions. Clear children? So I am doing the revision for this unit, that is our green well. So some plants are very smaller. Some plants are very smaller. They are called the bushes and shrub. So watch the video correctly children from starting till ending, because whatever today I am going to explain in this video, based on that I will give the some work also. Clear children? So watch properly, don't stop in middle. So some plants have the weak stem children. Some plants have the weak stem and they need the support to grow. Some plants, some are very weak and they need the support to grow. So those are like climber and creeper plant. Then stumps are too weak. If you see the stumps of creeper and climber, it is so thin, so weak, it cannot stand in the straight position. Cannot stand in the erect position. So like that plants need the support to grow. Either it is the support of a ground or either it is the support of a wall, tree trunk, wood or thread. Clear children? So here like the creeper plant, if I take the first one, creeper. Creeper plant. So creeper plant take the support of ground. It's take the support of the ground to grow, because these stumps are too weak. It is too weak. Okay, children, it's like take the watermelon. It's a watermelon. So this plant, creeper plants, need the support of the ground. It's grow on the ground only. It's grow on the ground. If you take the pumpkin also, it's grow on the ground. It's a pumpkin, just you can see. It's a pumpkin which grow on the ground. Why it is grow on the ground, children? Remember, because these plants have the weak stem. This plant have the weak stem. So it is grow on the where? It is grow on ground. It is grow on ground or it is grow on land. So it's take creeper plants take the support of ground to grow. Clear children? So it is about the creeper only. Creeper take the support of a ground to grow. It is grow on ground only. If you see the climber, plant, it's a climber plant. Climb is not climb and go. If you want the guava, mango, what you will do, children? What you will do? You will climb on the tree to take that fruit. You are doing or not? That means you are climbing on trees to take that fruit. The same thing here also. This climber plant. This climber plant, it's want the support of wall, stick or the tree trunk to climb and grow. It's to take the support of wall or the tree trunk. Climber plants take the support of a tree trunk. Many times you have observed. So like this, some plants will grow. It's take the support of tree trunk. This is a one kind of plants which take the support of tree trunk. See, it's taking the support. Many times have we seen that some plants take the support of wall also. You know, some plants take the support of wall also. Just you can see this. It's take the support of wall also to grow. You know, sometimes you can see that some kind of plants will take the support of a stick also. Which plant? Numbers of that. You know, bitter gourd, then grapes. Yes or no? Which take the support to grow. So these are the grapes you can see. You know, children, it's the grapes. See here you can see. These images you can see. Climber, this is all climber plants which take the support of tree trunk, wall and the stick. Those are called the climber plant. Many times here and there you have observed that the numbers of plants grow on the roof, on the wall, on the tree trunk, on the stick. It's take the support of a stick also to grow. Why it's take the support, children? Because these all stumps are too weak. So it's take a support of a tree trunk and then wall and the stick to grow. Clear, children? So some plants, these are the some plants have the very weak stems. They cannot stand up. They cannot stand straight. They need the help. They need the help to grow. Those are called creeper and climber plant. Clear, children? So here you can see in the creeper, we can see the watermelon, then pumpkin. In the climber, we can see the money plant, grapes, peas, then bitter gourd, karela. These all the plants need the support to grow. Clear, children? Have you seen the tulsi plant? Yes, tulsi plant also have the very thin stem, but it is not too weak. Tulsi plant, it won't take the support of stick, wall or ground. It's grow, but that stem is very thin. It can stand straight position. It can stand in the erect position. But one thing is what? If the wind blows very heavy, if the pressure is more than that, tulsi plant will fall down. Clear, children? So tulsi plant have the thin stem, but it can stand. Tulsi plant have the thin stem, not a big. It have a thin, very thin stem. We can easily cut that branches. Very easily we can plant. Why? Because the tulsi plant have the thin stem. It is called the thin stem. Clear, children? tulsi plant, coriander, dhania is yeah, coriander also have the thin stem. Leafy vegetables also have the thin stem. So that those like tulsi and coriander, they won't want the support to grow because they have the thin stem. But this plant, that stem is too weak, it is too soft. So to stand, they need the help, children. Let me show some images. So this can you see, children? It is a creeper plant which take the support of ground to grow. It is grow on land. Watermelon, children. Next you can see it's a grapes. It is a climber plant which take the support of wood to grow. See that stem, it is too weak. Children, it's too weak. So it need the support to stand, to grow. Clear, children? So this is the climber plant. So children, this is about the creeper and climber plant. So how we need the food to become strong, to grow. Like that, plant also need a food to grow in size, in shape, to survive. They also need the food. We are preparing food, we are preparing the food on gas stove. Our mummy will prepare in you. But here the plants, they prepare the food themselves only. They prepare the food themselves only. So they are also called the producers. Clear, children? So here, how we need the water, air, food to grow and develop. So like that, plant also need the water and sunlight to grow, to develop. Clear, children? Now we'll see what are the things plants need to grow. The plant just you can see, children, here. The plant. What are the things plant need to survive, to grow? First things, plant need the sunlight. It need the sunlight. Clear, children? To grow and to be healthy, it need the sunlight. The next, it need the water. It need the water. Clear, children? So here plants need the sunlight and water to grow, to become strong. So with the help of the sunlight here and water, sunlight and the water. So here leaves prepare the food. Leaves prepare the food with the help of sunlight and water. With the help of sunlight and water, here plants prepare the food. It grow we can see the growth. If in your garden, if you put the one small seed, if you put the one small seed, so what you have to do? You have to pour the water. You have to give the water for the seeds. How the days go, you can see when you are giving the water, you can see the sprouts yellow color. You know, after some days, 15 or 20 days, you know, we can see the small leaves. Yes, you can see the small leaves. How it is happened? Because you are giving the water and it getting the light also. It getting the light also. So it is growing very fast. The same thing you plant in your home. Okay? And don't put the water. And don't show the sunlight also. Then what will happen? The plant will grow. It won't grow. It's a die. Why? Because it won't getting the water and sunlight. Yeah, children. So sunlight and water is very important for the plants to grow. To growth. If 1 or 2 days, if you also won't eat the 3 days food only, don't drink the water also, then what is the condition? You will become very weak and finally you will die only. Yes, the same thing for the plants also. So, this sunlight and water is the food for the plant. So, always you can see the plants and the trees, we can see the outside only, not inside of the house. Because inside of the house, plants won't get the sunlight. Water you can give, but what about the sunlight? If there is no sunlight, means they won't prepare the food and they will die only. Clear, children? So the sunlight and water is very important for the plants to prepare the food and to also grow. Clear, children? So I have shown this, how that small seeds, if you are putting in the garden, just you put in the garden and you observe it. If you are putting in the garden then and give the properly water and the sunlight it get only, you can see it grow the very fast. It's grow very fast with the help of sunlight and water. But in the home, inside of the home, water it get, but what about the sunlight? Won't get. So it's a die only. Clear, children? So the sunlight and water is very important for the plants to prepare the food. When they prepare the food, everything is over now. We can see the bud here. You know? In the plant, we can see the bud. With the help of bud only, there is a flower, blooms. You know? After a small bud, you can see in the plant. After 2 to 3 days, you can see that small it is opening, it is the blooming. Then finally, we can see the flower. Children? Finally, we can see the flower. First, we can see the bud, and then after 2-3 days, we can see that bud is slowly it is blooming, slowly it is opening, and then finally we can see the big flower. How it is happen? It's happened because of sunlight and water. Clear, children? So when the flower becomes dried, we can see there is a fruit. We can see the fruits. See, at first it's bud, then next flower, and the next we can see the fruit. Clear, children? Yes. So here the important is what? Sunlight and water to prepare the food. To prepare the food, they need the sunlight and water. Clear, children? Yes. So plant gives us numbers of things. Children, plants gives us numbers of things. Vegetable, fruits, pulses, everything we will get from the plants only. Numbers of fruits we will get: mango, apple, banana, grapes, orange, pineapple, watermelon, papaya, etc. Numbers of fruits we will get from the plants only. And also we will get the vegetables also. Tomato, carrot, radish, brinjal, cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, radish, watermelon, beetroot. So these all the fruits and vegetables we will get from the plants only. You can see we get the numbers of things from plants. Plants gives us many things. First you can see the fruits. Then next you can see the vegetables. See the numbers of vegetables. Then next you can see the pulses like moong, rajma, wheat, rice. These are all the things we will get from the plants. Again, we will get the numbers of things. What is that? Again, we will get the wood. With that wood means what? Big logs. We will get from the plant big logs. This is called the big wood. Logs we say. So with that logs and wood here, carpenter will make the numbers of things. Now you are sitting on the chair, wooden chair, table, window, door, cupboard. Numbers of things we will carpenter will make with this wood. Clear, children? So they also gives us wood. Again, what is that? Tell me, children. Plant gives the shed. It gives the shed and cool air. Whatever air we breathe, oxygen, this we get from the plants only. Clear, children? Oxygen also we will get from the plants only. It also gives the food for some animals, and also it gives the home for some animals. We see the wild animals, they live in the forest. Some birds, they make a nest on the trees. That means it gives the shelter for animals and birds. Plant keeps the air clean by taking the carbon dioxide and leaving the oxygen. That means what? It keeps the air also very clean. Now see, children, how the plants are useful to us. They give us numbers of things. The children, what are the things they give us? Plant gives us numbers of things. See, first write vegetables. Yes. The next you can see the fruits. Yes. Then next you can see the wood. Then next you can see the shelter for animals and birds. It also gives us the medicinal plant. Some kind of the medicinal plant we get from the plants only. So these are the some things we get from the plants. And these all the things we need. Vegetable also we need, fruits also we need, and wood also we need. Pulses also, one more I will write here. Pulses. Pulses means what? Dal. Moong dal, tur dal, rajma, wheat, right? This all comes in the pulses only. Clear children? So these things we get from the plants. So clear children all are? So this is our today's class. So in the today's class, what we discussed children? We discussed about the plants. How the plants prepare the food. It prepared the food with the help of the sunlight and water. And it also gives us numbers of things. Vegetable, fruits, wood, shelter for animals and birds, and pulses. It also gives the shed. It cleans the air also. You know children? So whatever we breathe, oxygen, it get from the plants only. Clear children? Now it is time to give the work for you. Homework. First one. Okay children, first one. It's a filling the blanks children. First one. Creeper and climber have dash stumps. Next one. Plants need dash and dash to grow. Plants give us dash, dash and dash. Next one. We make the dash and dash with wood. So these are the filling the blanks children. So let me read once. Fill in the blanks. Creeper and climber have dash stumps. Plants need dash and dash to grow. Plants give us dash, dash and dash. So write only three things, okay? I have given the numbers of things. You have to write only three things. We make the dash and dash with wood. So what are the things we will make with the wood? You have to write here children. So to get this answer, what you have to do? You have to see the full video. You should not stop in middle. and don't take the help of your parents. See the video and then you will get this all the answers. And this fill in the blanks are very important because it is the middle of the lesson. So you have to write this all the things in EVS notebook. Write the unit 6 plants our green well. It is a revision, children. Then write the homework, fill in the blanks. So this homework you have to do in the EVS notebook. I am not going to send this fill in the blanks in the app, in the assignment. You have to copy down from this video only. Clear, children? And the yesterday's work you have to send today only. Okay, children? Thank you, children.